Thomas Weather.
The Rich Thomas Weather Network, brought to you by these fine sponsors. Hear Rich's forecast hourly on these Blue Water Broadcasting radio stations.
Hey, good morning, everybody. On this Thursday morning, it's the 24th day of September, and it's exactly 4 o'clock in the morning. And today is going to be one of those tropical days. A little breezy out here today, certainly warmer, certainly more humid, and we're getting ready for Beta. Beta will be the big player today, currently located just a little west-southwest of Jackson, Mississippi. We'll track across the state of Alabama today, and we'll be on the favored northeast and east quadrant, and you know what that means, right? That's the active side of a tropical system. That means we're going to see some tropical downpours. That certainly means spin-up tornadoes certainly are possible in a situation like that. So your weather app's going to be very, very helpful today in keeping you up to date on what's going on. We'll be radar watching. So I think we're through with Beta by tomorrow, and the weekend looking pretty good. Hey, there's a strong cold front next week, and I think it's going to be a significant one. We'll talk about it in just a second. First, let's talk about Beta. The star of the show today will be the remnants of Beta, located near Jackson, Mississippi early this morning, moving up to around Meridian, 7 p.m. tonight, up to about Fort Payne by 7 a.m. tomorrow morning. And its tropical tail, its tropical tentacles affecting the state with locally heavy downpours. And, of course, some of the storms could be on the strong side. Because it's a tropical system and we're on the east side of it, a marginal severe weather risk with the threat of spin-up tornadoes. Sure, that's to be expected. There were tornado warnings during the night in Mississippi. We'll be watching very, very carefully. Here is future radar today. Look at some of the heaviest rainfall across north and northwest Alabama. 2 to 5 inches, not out of the question. And by noon today, you can see, again, some of those tropical rain bands that will be affecting the state throughout the day. And there it is, 6 p.m. tonight into central and eastern Alabama still, and continuing into the late night hours as well. So the threat of showers and thunderstorms and tropical downpours, maybe a few stronger storms, high around 82, tonight's low 70. Southeast winds 10 to 20 miles per hour. I wouldn't be surprised if we gust up to about 30 miles per hour in this situation. By tomorrow, most of that is east of us. We'll hold on to a small rain chance on Friday, but the Storm Prediction Center says the best chance of stronger storms will be into Georgia and the Carolinas. And on Saturday, we've got a tiny rain chance in, at least 20%, and I'll hold on to a small rain chance. Widely scattered storms perhaps on Sunday. High temperatures will be in the 80s. Oh, look at this, Monday night. This is a strong cold front approaching from the west. It's in Mississippi on Monday night. And then during the day on Tuesday, the front makes it into western Alabama, 7 o'clock in the morning. That looks like it could even produce some strong, possibly severe storms. But it's got a big change right back behind it as some much cooler air comes into the state behind it as we get into Tuesday night, Wednesday into Thursday. So this is an important cold front next week. We're looking at rain chances probably in the 30 to 40% range on Friday. Just a tiny rain chance Saturday and Sunday with highs in the 80s, lows in the 60s. And then we'll bring in some rain chances by Monday night into Tuesday with that next strong cold front. Look what the GFS ensembles do. Now, you don't take the numbers literally, but if you did, they have highs in the 60s, lows in the 40s for the middle and latter part of next week. That would be nice. We'll see how that plays out. In the tropics, oh my gosh, there's only Beta on the map. How about that? The rest of the Atlantic, the Caribbean Sea, and the Gulf of Mexico are quiet. Does that mean we're done? Of course not. We still have a long way to go. We're just quiet right now. When Hurricane Sally roared ashore on the Alabama coast on Wednesday morning, September 16th, it was a shocker. When people went to bed on Tuesday night, we had a low-end Category 1 hurricane. Overnight, it blew up into a high-end Category 2, almost a Category 3, with 105-mile-an-hour winds. The damage was extensive, the flooding was prolific, and heavy rainfall and power outages even continued into central Alabama. We'll look back on Hurricane Sally on my Weather Extra tonight at 6 and 10 on CBS 8 and ABC 32, the Alabama News Network. Join me for my Weather Extra. Oh my gosh, I was just thinking, so a week ago today, we were still dealing with slow-moving Sally, just poking through Alabama, and today we're dealing with Beta, another tropical system, and let me tell you this, we are not done yet. No way are we done. I'll just leave it at that. Hey, our weather app's going to be really handy today. I hope you have it on your phone or tablet. It's free in the App Store. Just search Rich Thomas Weather. Get it on your phone. It will instantly alert you if there's a tornado warning for your county today because of these spin-ups on the east side of Beta. All right, you know all the rest I'm going to say. Live on the radio this morning, 6 to 9 on News Talk 93.1. Live on TV on CBS 8 and ABC 32. Meteorologist Ben Lang and I will talk weather this morning. There'll be another video for you first thing tomorrow morning at 4:45 a.m. and your forecast whenever you want it across the dial on 8 radio stations, the Blue Water family of stations. I'll be standing by watching the weather all day today, of course. Hope you have a good day today. Stay weather aware.
Rich Thomas Weather.